Harker7 here. So we're here to talk about Snapchat Plus, and the question on the table is, can Snapchat Plus be accessed from any location in the world? The answer to that is yes. I'm currently on Snapchat Plus, and as you can see here, if we should go to Google, my location is Jamaica, and that is definitely not one of the countries which Snapchat Plus is available. So on an Android device, it is quite easy for you to actually change your location to the United States by using a GPS changer. You could easily do that. And on an iPhone, you could change your location by using virtual private networks, or VPNs for short. So you could do that, and you could have access to the Snapchat Plus trial on any Snapchat account of your choosing. So that is basically how to do it. I will provide a tutorial as to how I do it, and yeah, you can access it from any location in the world. These are unique features rather, so I'm pretty sure that a lot of persons all over the world would want to access these features. So yeah, Snapchat Plus, to answer the question once more, Snapchat Plus can definitely be accessed from all over the world, no matter where you are. So just keep that in mind, and that is just an update as to the new Snapchat Plus features, as to what it is all about. So a little disclaimer, this is not to get the Snapchat Plus for free. This is just to use the trial option, because if you wanted Snapchat Plus after the trial, you definitely have to pay the $4 per month to get the subscription to Snapchat Plus. So this is just to inform you that it is possible to get the Snapchat Plus by using GPS changers on your Android device, or virtual private networks to basically change your location. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Harker7 out.